Good evening. To the southeast, Nicole is no longer a hurricane. She is now moving up through the northeast. No remnants for our area, but we are watching other territory. This area also moving from the northeast or to the northeast. You see a little bit of pink and purple there perhaps. That is possible precipitation in the form of snow. I don't think we're looking at that though. More on that in a moment. We currently have clouds moving in and out, especially in the southern portion of our viewing area. Now, overnight tonight, we're going to have a sub-freezing low of about 30 degrees. That temperature is taken a little bit higher up than the ground. Our ground is actually a little warmer, and that will come into play overnight. We do have those wind gusts, though, giving us a wind chill that probably is in the 20s. That's what we're expecting anyway. Picking up Futurecast, we do see a little purple here. What's happening there? That's 2 o'clock in the morning. We're going to roll it through a little bit, and you see it moves to the southeast portion of our viewing area. But what we're expecting is, although you may see a few flakes above, if you're up at this time of the early morning, we don't think there will be any snowfall as far as anything on the ground. Not like we had, as we did 3 years ago today, by the way. But we will see a lot of cloud cover tomorrow. This is 11 o'clock in the morning, and then even those clouds will move out toward evening, but the winds will still be something to deal with. Looking at our temperatures tomorrow, and this is another reason we're not predicting any snowfall here. In fact, if you see flakes, you'll be kind of lucky, I suppose, because I don't think there will be many, if any. And again, it's relegated to the southern portion of the viewing area. Our temperatures at 2 o'clock in the morning, right around the freezing point, and that'll stay somewhat the case until we get in the early morning hours. And frankly, it'll just be a situation where our ground temperatures are too warm. Let's look at our temperatures as far as our day parts. Really, by 8 a.m., any chance of snowfall, so to speak, is over by then. 31 degrees after sunrise. We could see some morning rain, though, where you saw those yellow and different colored hues. 37 degrees by noon, but just like today, our temperatures are going to be under the 40-degree mark, and those winds will be gusting up to 20 miles per hour. In fact, our gusts will probably be peaking during late football action around 3 p.m. And again, those gusts are from the northwest, and that's going to keep a ceiling on the temperatures, keeping things from warming up very much at all. Our 3-day outlook: Saturday, early morning rain possible. You may even see a few flakes, and we're not talking about any weather people. 38 degrees for our high temperature. Sunday, 39 degrees, so not much warmer. It'll be a bit calmer as far as the wind. The winds will still be from the northwest both Saturday and Sunday, and then Monday the winds will be shifting to coming from the southwest, and that'll put our temperature up a little bit, but really it's not going anywhere. Now let's take a look at something's been happening here in November. We've had, before today, 9 out of 10 days this month above 70 degrees for our observed high. The highs usually are in the mid to the upper 50s, but in the past 10 days, we've had an average of 73 degrees, but that was before today. And it all changes now in the 7-day outlook. Again, our average extremes are in the mid 50s at this point in time, and our temperatures are basically going nowhere for the next 7-day period. We do have another chance of rain coming on Tuesday, and again, maybe a few raindrops tomorrow. Jenna, back to you.